This is Genocide. Today a customer is here with Tecno Spark 20. The model is KJ5. The screen is broken, and in this video I'm going to replace the screen with a new one. So let's open this phone. Okay, we open it. Just be careful. Okay, unscrew it. Fast forward. Carefully open it. Now when it gets to this level, be careful you don't break the fingerprint cable. Okay, remove your screen and battery, but make sure you unplug the battery first before you remove the screen. Now plug in the new screen to test it and be sure it is working before you you glue it. Okay, the battery is down, so I have to use a new battery. Okay, you can see phone is booted, touching everything is working, graphics okay. So just remove it, switch it off and remove it. Okay, if you have a workstation, it is good you use that one to heat it